Get me signed in, yeah? Alright. I've got the glasses on, yeah, a bit more discreet. Yeah, no worries, man. No worries. Yeah, good to finally meet you.